Now run, Jess! You stupid dog! Come on, follow! I'm not throwing this at you! Ah! Run, Jess! Fine, be a stupid dog then. Now let's run back to Chelsea and Tyler.
Make it out.
In the city. No, it's not! No way! Razor! You dog! Run! I'm running over there, you bitch. Yes, get it to chase you, run! No, yeah. Scream! It's running from you, Jess. Let's give it a name. How about Bessie? Let's give it a name and call it. Come here, Skank. It's not working. It's a girl. What do you want to call her?
Hello, peoples.
What do you want to call her?
I'm Jess, and this is my friend Bree, and, well, I don't know what the fuck we're doing. So, yeah, pretty much, that's it. It's been changed by a fucking dog.
Titties. No, just kidding. Let's give it a name.